Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best tubing flaring tool on the market, the Wostore Tubing Flaring Tool Kit. Whether you're working with refrigeration, HVAC systems, or plumbing, this toolkit is designed to make your flaring tasks precise and effortless. The Wostore Tubing Flaring Tool Kit comes equipped with 7 dies, accommodating tubing sizes ranging from 3/16 inch all the way up to 3/4 inch. This range covers all your common copper pipes, making it versatile for various applications. It's ideal for flaring soft copper, brass, aluminum, and even mild steel tubing with wall thickness up to 0.035 inches. What sets this tool apart is its precision and ease of use. The heart of the kit is its heat-treated, hardened steel flaring cone, which is mounted eccentrically. This unique design creates a rolling action during the flaring process, ensuring even metal flow and uniform flare walls without damaging or galling the tubing. You'll get clean, professional quality flares every time. Another feature worth noting is the flaring bar with its clever clutch yoke mechanism. Instead of complicated clamps, it uses a single clamp screw that makes securing and releasing the tubing fast and straightforward. Plus, the large feed screw handle offers smooth, effortless turning, reducing hand fatigue during longer projects. The entire kit comes neatly stored in a hard plastic carrying case. This case keeps all components organized and protected, and the handle makes it easy to transport the tool wherever your work takes you. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this portability adds great convenience. In terms of applications, the Wostore tool fits all standard high-pressure fittings, which is crucial for HVAC refrigerants, gas lines, and plumbing repairs. So, no matter the job, residential or commercial, you have a reliable, durable tool that delivers consistent results. The kit itself is compact and lightweight, weighing just under 4 pounds, with dimensions that won't take up much space in your toolbox. Despite its size, it's built tough to withstand regular use, thanks to the hardened steel cone and robust construction of the flaring bar. To sum it up, the Wostore Tubing Flaring Tool Kit is a standout choice for anyone needing precise, reliable flares on copper and other soft metal tubing. Its well-thought-out design, range of sizes, and user-friendly operation make it a valuable addition to your toolkit. If you want professional-grade flaring without hassle, this toolkit has you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.